Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix wireless charging not working on INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First, what you guys want to do is grab a wireless pad. So this is very important that you grab the one that you need to confirm that the pad you grab is QI rated, so that it works wirelessly. Now the wireless charging is enabled in the settings, so here I have the pad. I know for a fact that it works, so let's put it here and let's test it here. Now we want to make sure that we center the phone correctly, and if you have a case on it, then make sure to remove it, because it may block the connection between the pad and between the back of the phone. Now we're gonna place it, and we need to place it correctly like this. So now once we place it, as you guys can see, it's charging, but if we place it wrong, then it won't charge. If you place it like this, it won't charge. If you place it like this, there's a big chance that it starts charging, but still you want to make sure that you put it right in the center so that it works properly. And that's how you guys can do it. Of course, it is wireless charging. Now we get the information, and that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.